Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It is January 29th and this is gonna be interesting. Nobody realizes what I just said unless you watch my previous video, which is me saying that I'm trying not to say as much as possible in a video. Me walking to the car, I just decided that from now on there's gonna be an counter that pops up every time I say the word in a video. So every time I say the word there's gonna be a little caption that pops up and says what number that is in the video. So from now on, or I'm probably just gonna start at the beginning of the video, whenever I say that word, it's gonna pop up at the bottom and show how many times I've said it, just to show that I overused the word. So today we are not working in the shed. I ordered my electrical box and breakers last night. I'm going with a 2-space electrical box. I'm going with a 2-space electrical box, and it's 70 volts or 70 amps. I'm sorry, for the whole shed, because I'm going to have grow lights and heat mats and all that stuff running for, and my AC unit obviously for running for the seed starting and microgreens and everything. And then I'm also gonna I'm probably gonna bring one of my computers over here. I have a computer that I don't use. I probably will just bring it over here. We're gonna see about getting a Wi-Fi receiver put on that shed and getting Wi-Fi in it. So does count as oh man, I am digging myself a deep hole. Whatever, we're putting Wi-Fi in the shed. I'll probably bring a computer here so that I can do all my Google Docs and everything on it. And today we are going to be working in the shop some more. I'm gonna flip this on and see if Uncle Billy left the radio on. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna be working in the shed today. The shop today. We're gonna be leaving off, starting where we left off last time, which is cleaning this area, around in this area. I'd like to get, there's another caption in the bottom. I'd like to get this desk cleaned off, or this workspace I should say. I scraped everything off of this, and look at all that grime that's already on here again. So we're gonna clean this up. The sockets need to be gone through again because I went through them already and they already got all messed up again. And then we are going to sort through all those tools. Alright, that workspace is completely cleaned off, and I sat here and messed with this electric grease gun that we got at an online auction back during the summer, and I cannot get it to pump out grease. It sit there and bubbled, and I primed it, and it's just not working. So we may have gotten gypped on an electric grease gun. I don't know, I don't think we paid very much for it, like 50 bucks maybe, so may get a different one. If we do, it'll probably be like invest in a good one, like a DeWalt or something. So we got that cleaned off. Looks very beautiful. So now Dad had the box out for the heater. We've got to hook up the propane line up to our infrared heater up here, and so that we can heat this shop up. Don't even know what that is. Oh, it probably goes, I have no idea where that goes. Anyway, I don't think there's anything over here to sort that we can sort anyway. It's all gotta be sorted by like Dad and Uncle Billy or somebody who knows what tools they want to keep and stuff. I put this press down here because I gotta, that's heavy, I can't even scoot it with my foot, because I got a plan for down here. I'd like to get some cheap lights and put them up underneath this tray here, and then get a bunch of socket organizers and put them under there, like metric and imperial front and back, and then we can take all our sockets that we have over here, hundreds upon hundreds of sockets on the top of both these toolboxes. See, we already got some, and I want to put them all underneath there in a well-lit spot so we can see it easily, keep them sorted. You can see we got our impact sockets over here. This is where we've been keeping them for a while, but for some reason, I don't know why that's there. For some reason we can't even keep these sorted. We don't have organizers this big, obviously, so those are just plopped around there. But we need to buy some singles. I'm gonna write down all the sizes that we don't have in these organizers. Whoops, just realized I'm not even looking at this. So I'm gonna write down all the sizes that we don't have. I gotta go through these and make sure they're not over here, and then I'm gonna write down everything we need. And when we make a trip to Harbor Freight, we'll pick up all those single sockets that we need, and I think I might take those two organizers that we have and put them over there and start sorting into those too. So those are different size drives. They're both like the same sizes, I think, just different drives. So the one all the way up to 1 inch down to 1/4. Yeah, except these are, oh, they're both 3/8 drive too. Okay, that's interesting. Well, we got 2 identical socket organizers. Guess that works. We probably got a bunch of identical sockets. So anyway, I'm gonna do that, and I'll try and put it on a time lapse. It's kind of hard because I'm gonna be running up from all the way over there over here. So let's try it. A lot of boring socket sorting later. Alright, so that is our finished socket trays. We are missing quite a few sockets, but that's alright. So we need a 1 inch shallow, 1 inch deep, 15/16 shallow, 15/16 deep, and both 1/4 shallow and 1/4 inch deep here. So, and I just messed it all up with the camera. These are all of the sockets that are either metric, star pattern, like they take off star bolts, or spark plug. These are all or extras of what we have down here. I think there were probably 10 11/16 and probably 12 10mm and tons of 7/16 in there. It's crazy. And we're not even done yet. We may find our 1/4 inch socket yet, because if I can get this drawer open, we have these sockets here. And we have more sockets in here. We got more sockets in there. These are all the small ones. And I don't know if we have, no, the next drawer is wrenches. So, and then we got all the ones over here yet. So quite a bit of sorting left to do. This is more wrenches and extensions though, so looking better over here. But that was a lot of organizing. I don't know what time it is. I just said again, so that's gonna pop up in the bottom for the counter. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Check the links in the description down below. Subscribe and hit the like button. And until next time, guys, it's me signing out.
That's a lot of ums.